This is your how-to video on the Compass Camino 644. So we'll start off at the front of your van, where you have your Alco hitch and head stabiliser. Stabiliser up, handle up like so, locks into place, table slots in, stabiliser pushes down to lock it into place. The green pin there, which shows up once the table is locked into place. To release the stabiliser up, handle up, table comes out. Have a breakaway cable fitted, jockey wheel handle, handbrake, 13 pin plug which does your exterior lights as you'll see around the van, and 12 volt to the car, 12 volt to the fridge if your car is watered correctly. Also have an ATC light, so when the car is connected, goes through its cycle, and we'll go flashing green or solid green. Gas locker, 2.46 kg propane or butane gas bottles, bulkhead regulator and 2 threads to put 2 propane hoses on. Around the near side, offside sorry, you have your water pump in there, pump goes into the alcohol, slots in like so, slots down. Battery locker, 240 mains inlet, isolation power touch key, battery tray strap and battery with 2 terminals either side. 2 waste outlets, toilet, 2 obviously once toilet set, once full, empty like so. Show all the lights working. Now inside the van. Inside the van, above the door here, you have your 4 switches. So this is your master. Oh, no, sorry. There we go. That is your master here, sorry. And you have other lights which turn on as well, but they turn on individually as well. You have your water pump set in here, so you can have it when you have it on. That will feed straight from the aqua roll to the tap. That will feed from the internal tank to the tap, and that will fill up your tank from the exterior aqua roll. Here we have your voltage of the battery and your water tank level, which is 25%, which is located underneath the bed, like so. Before you start running the water, you want to make sure that yellow drain off valve is facing down in a horizontal position. Once that is down, you will be able to run water through the system. Down here is your main consumer unit, where you have your main RCD, 3 MCBs and your 12 volt fuses, and obviously what they are for. When connected to 240 supply, always press the test button as recommended, just to make sure your RCD is tripping as it should. Once the drain off valve and everything is connected, you can run water through the van. So put it down, and when the orange light is on, it means that the van is running, like so. And you want to drain the air out of all the systems from the kitchen, bathroom and the shower. While in the toilet, your toilet pump, that feeds from your aqua roll, so once pressed it will feed the water through your aqua roll, and then you can release it into the toilet cassette like so. Obviously the toilet cassette, that has to be closed before the toilet cassette can open. Also fitted, you have a domestic fridge, so to turn on and off, you hold this power button here like so. Start to mains, hold mains, then for gas, hold that, the fridge will start ticking. When it's lit, everything will stay blue. If it goes to fail, look a bit like this, but obviously it's failing now because obviously there's no car connected to the van, and 12 volt only works when connected to the car and only maintains the temperature already in the fridge. And to turn off, just press power button like so for a few seconds. freezer compartment, and obviously the fridge. Then we have your Thetford aspired to cooker, where you have your electric hob here, which you do 1 seconds, 1 to 6 like so, and then you've got your gas hobs which you push in, and obviously you press the ignite button for obviously the other 3 hobs, the grill and the oven. Also above here we have your Audi control panel, so to turn on you press power, let it do its loading up, and obviously here you've got your circulation in motion, so it's circulating around the van, internal temperature, and showing there that you have mains connected to the van. Top here you have your internal temperature where you want it to be, then you have hot water on, and obviously it focuses on the hot water rather than both. But obviously when you have your heating on, it will automatically heat up the water anyway, but obviously when you've got the water on you'll get more hot water for a long duration of time. Then you have your 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt on electric, then you have your gas, then you can have it on both. And to turn off, just press the power button like so. And we also have an alarm fitted, so you press 1 for arm, and you have your PIR up here, which detects any motion at all, and obviously once it does it will set the alarm off. Then 2 to disarm. Also fitted to the van you have a brand new aircon unit, obviously, so you have the settings there, but obviously to turn it on, press it on with the power button and obviously face it up to that there. Obviously then the aircon will turn on, and obviously you have other various settings, obviously which will continue in the booklet. And obviously to turn off, just press it again and it will turn itself off. Also fitted to the van you have a quattro mover, so obviously we'll demonstrate that as we finish inside. Book pack, further information about the van and obviously its appliances, that sort of thing, but obviously feel free to read through it. Winterization sheet obviously just demonstrates how to correctly winterize your van ready for winter, obviously to prevent any frost damage, because frost damage isn't part of our warranty. As you can see, part of our warranty cover what we include and what we don't. On this van you have a power touch evolution mover. To engage it, put the barrel on like so, press the wheel to your clock. When onto the tyre, you can now release the handbrake, then you can put the isolation key into the switch like so. Then once it's on, double click the handset like so to connect it. Then you can go forward, backwards, obviously whatever direction you want the mover to go. Once finished, double click the handset to disconnect. Isolation key that opposite way, handbrake applied, disconnect it from the wheel like so.